What changed over the past 6 months is a better understanding that we should go as far back into the source of the problem as possible. When we started, we were all about coming in and saying, all right, here's the fix for you. I see your code, I see your environment, I understand what the requirements are from a security perspective, and I'm going to provide that fix for you ad hoc for your existing environment to implement. So we've taken that, and the journey that we went through over the past 2.5, 3 years was, first of all, to understand that this is not just a security problem. This is not just a security problem. This is an engineering problem. Security is one of those elements, like I mentioned before, that finds themselves at the receiving end, at the DevOps engineers kind of task list of things to do to their environment. So that was the first understanding. We expanded beyond security, and we can fix things that are not just security related. We can fix things that are related to SRE, to software reliability engineering. We can fix things that are related to cost and performance optimization. So that's one. And the second one is, we're no longer just fixing things ad hoc. We're no longer just looking at existing code and saying, there you go, I fixed it for you. We decided to shift all the way left. And that's kind of a security paradigm. Shifting left, meaning getting as close to the development process as possible. And today, we're at the IDE, we're at the development environment itself, and we're there sort of as the good angel on the shoulder of that engineer who's writing the code. So the second that someone starts building a cloud environment, starts putting out an architecture, before they even deploy the first version of it, we're there to accompany them and apply fixes, apply and kind of bring those different policies that I've mentioned to life, almost at real time at the editor itself, at the IDE. So when I'm spinning up, when I'm just writing or even prompting uh, an AI like a cursor or a copilot to start build or add another element to my environment, Gomboc is there to apply the fixes to that code before it even makes it to, before you even save it for the first time. So that's what we've been, that's the kind of transformation of that tagline of it's all about the fix, but we've moved it as early as possible to prevent any kind of rework. Because the second that an engineer puts something out, the second that you code something and you deploy it, the last thing you want to do is go back and fix it or change it. If it's working, it's working. That's it. You want to forget it and move on to the next thing. So being able to address things and provide those fixes as early as when the code is being generated, that's been what we've been kind of focusing on in the past 6 months.